Hi, today's session we are going to learn the different types of triangles. Um, yeah, there are different types of triangles, and typically they are based on two different properties of triangles. One is based on the angles, and the other is based on the sides. So there are three types to each. The sides based on the triangles based on angles are acute, obtuse, and right-angled triangles, whereas those based on sides are isosceles, scalene, and equilateral. We will learn about each one of them in the following slides. Acute triangle is a triangle in which all the angles are less than 90 degrees. So as you are aware, the total of the angles of a triangle, the total of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. In an acute triangle, none of the angles is more than 90. Here you can see that this is 80 degrees, this is 70 degrees, and this is 30 degrees. So acute angle is a triangle. Acute triangle is a triangle in which all the angles are acute, which is less than 90 degrees. Obtuse angle similarly is a triangle where one of the sides is more than 90 degrees. So as you can see, this angle is 100 degrees, and hence this is known as an obtuse triangle, as one of the angles is obtuse of more than 90. Let's look at some more. The right-angled triangle is a triangle in which the one angle is 90 degrees, which is a right angle. So this PQ is perpendicular to QR. This is 90 degrees, and this is called a right-angled triangle. What is an equiangular triangle? Equiangular triangle is a triangle in which all the angles are equal, and since all the angles are equal, each will be 60 degrees, and the total comes to 180 degrees, as we all know. So equiangular triangle is a triangle where all the angles in the triangle are of the same degree or 60 degrees. Look at triangles based on the sides. So here you see the isosceles. It's an isosceles triangle. That's a triangle in which at least two sides are congruent or the same. For example, here PQ is the same as PR. Okay, and typically in an isosceles triangle, the angles adjacent to the congruent sides are also the same. So here it is 70 and 70 degrees is the angle PQR and PRQ, as PQ and PR are equal or of equal length, and hence it's called an isosceles triangle. Scalene triangle, on the other hand, is a triangle in which none of the sides are of the same length. For example, here it is 8, this is 18, and this is 20. So all the three sides have different lengths, and hence it's called a scalene triangle. There is one more type of triangle we need to cover, and that is the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is similar to equiangular triangle in many respects, because equilateral means the sides of the triangle are the same. PQ, QR, and RP, they are the same. And like we had discussed earlier in the equiangular triangle, the angles also are the same. So all of them have 60 degrees. So here it's an equilateral triangle.